Hello, it's me again. As you can see, some things have changed around. You can actually see me now, because the lights are here now. Because like Taju came by and helped me hang them. I mean, Taju, thank you very much, because like actually now I see what I'm doing, and that was the part that was holding me back, because I didn't saw shit, and now I can actually try and make something from the outside of the car also. Also, I'm planning on to making a video of me making a kind of a sweeper body kit for the Mazda right here, because I think it would fit the car, and we'll see how it goes. For now I'm just trying to do as much as I can, because there is only 100 days left. Time is fucking running by real fucking quick. So there is multiple lights now. We put more primer on the doors. The ductile is going well. Yeah, the place is nicer overall. This video was probably recorded on like past week, so like it will be cuts from day to day, I don't know, because I'm trying my best. It's like, I don't know, 98 days left, 97 maybe. Things going well, but for today I'm gonna leave this place as it is. I can actually live in peace now. Hello there! Some update on the junk mobile. The doors, I painted them, they are crap. The fucking headlights, they are halfway there. And I'm taking off the front part of the car. I'm actually close to finish now, so it ain't supposed to be that bad. Maybe I'll just settle the camera somewhere, because unfortunately I can't do nothing about the light. The hood is blocking me, so let me just get to the work, because it's the last bolt, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, it came right off. Yeah, now it's just those that are holding me in, and also the headlight, I think. Yeah, now it's on the thing. Oh. Ooh. Okay, boys. You have it, boys. It's fucking amazing. Oh my god. And it's not that rusted. That's good. I enjoy it. Okay. The fuck is that car? It's not my car. I mean, that's pretty fucking solid, you know? If you ask me. Okay, so the front is taken off. Now I can actually... Oh lord, that's awful. Oh, damn. Okay, so I also need to take off the towing hook, because, I mean, if somebody would try to tow me, they would rip my fucking front off. Because there is nothing that can hold it actually. It's just rust. That's why these videos aren't going that fast, because I'm just trying to make it entertaining for you guys. To whomever that watches that crap that we're making. Because like, we're trying to get somewhere, and it's not that easy. Because like, there is bigger channels with car content than us, and we can do shit about that. But like, we're trying our best to entertain you guys, and like, we're trying to just live a life, you know?
Hello
Okay, but enough of that bullshit. There is also some broken bolts. Like, yeah, the lightning might be crap in here, but like, yeah, here and here there are two broken bolts, which I'm gonna try to unscrew from the inside. I'm gonna put some nice fucking odrdzewiacz on that. And like, yeah, I'm taking the car apart and trying to make as much as I can, because there is only 90 days left to the big car meet that we wanna go to, like all squad, we wanna go there, but we don't know if we're gonna make it. I mean, the boys probably will make it because they have their cars ready, and as you can see, my car is a junk, a piece of trash. But from the updates also, there is also the blender. I don't know if I ever showed it on any video, but this part right here, this one, was completely fucking squished, because my cousin dog came and just like bite on it. I don't know why, I don't know the reason why he did that, but I fixed it, I parted it up, I like bended it out to the shape it was before, at least I best as I could. You might not see that on the video, but there is like a structure to it. You can still kinda see the tooth marks and all that, but like overall I think it's looking better than squished. And also now I just need to take care of the, like, putting some body filler on it and like making it fresh or something, I don't know. I'm just trying my best to make it out in 90 days. Oh lord, that's not enough time. Okay, because I'm already recording for like 7.5 minutes, and that's too much of recording in one clip. So I'ma just see you guys later when I do some more. So just enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, we're back at it again. Not much things changed, except, yeah, the front is taken off, which I showed you guys last time. Also I took off the fucking hook, but I can't do more about it now, because I need to do something about the front right here. It's not in bad condition, but I'm missing one of the ears, just like that. Ears. Yeah, they're called ears in my country, so I'ma call them that. Those holes, because I don't know, if somebody cut it. It was probably me. I don't remember. Yeah, and there is some rust spots like here and here. So I want to get rid of them, just to make this part last a little bit longer. There is also some rust here, but hopefully no holes. Yes, inside of that, yeah, this part is also like a little bit rusty, but that's not a problem. I'ma just take care of it while trying to keep you guys entertained, at least at any point. Really well, sorry for bad England. But yeah, I'ma get going with that. So first, like, part of my work is going to be the cleaning the rust and preparing this part for welding, like piece like that from the other side. Yeah, so for now I'ma just get to cleaning. Probably I'ma just clean it completely, like there's gonna be nothing that's gonna stay here from this red, and I'll probably just like paint it in black primer for now, so it can be nice and purple like those doors. Of course they aren't perfect, because there is a bunch of like drops and all that shit, but it's a rattle can job, so you know, can't do much about that. So I'ma just get to clean the rust and try to weld it back together. Hopefully it's gonna look pretty decent after that. So I hope I see you guys then. That's pretty solid. Okay, so a piece here is welded on back again. I mean, it is what it is. It is welded how it is. It ain't gonna be better, at least for now. Okay, that's better. That's better. Yes. Okay, I think I can start to grind it up a little bit, just to take care of some of the welds that aren't supposed to be there, because like they offset or they just straight up BBs that we don't want there. But still, I'm gonna grind it up a little bit and then we're gonna check how it looks like. And probably I might just clean it a little bit as well. But for now, that's it. The grinding disc. It's fucking turned off. Now I just looked at it and it's not even how it's supposed to be. Like that. This, yes, that's the shape I wanted, hopefully. Now I need to grind it out a little bit and then we can weld it back again. I'm sorry for your ears, guys. I will just do it on the first setting because it ain't too thick of a metal and I don't want to burn through it, but I want to weld it correctly in the place where it is right now. So let me just do this really quick. It's gonna burn my hand. Yeah. That looks pretty fucking decent if you ask me. Yes. I'm gonna just try to clean it a little bit and we'll see where it will take us. Hopefully there ain't gonna be much of cleaning because, oh lord. Okay, I'm gonna get to it. Okay guys, the video ended with a cut because I didn't have no other materials to just throw in there. But that was the first part of like completely restoring the Mazda. More videos will come soon, hopefully, and like from the positive things I already spoke with some dudes and I already have the guys for unnecessary parts to make the car work. It's like 75 days left maybe now, and I think I can make it in 75 days to completely restore the car and also record it, edit it and post it on the YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.